Combustion engines power our world, driving vehicles and machinery that shape modern life. At their core, these marvels operate on controlled explosions. The four-stroke cycle is the heartbeat of combustion engines: intake, compression, power, and exhaust, repeating thousands of times per minute. The intake stroke draws in air and fuel, while the compression stroke squeezes this mixture, setting the stage for ignition. In the power stroke, a tiny spark or compression heat ignites the fuel, creating an explosion that drives the piston, converting energy into motion. The exhaust stroke clears the cylinder, expelling spent gases and readying the engine for the next cycle, ensuring continuous power. Spark ignition engines use a spark plug to ignite fuel, while compression ignition engines rely on high pressure for combustion. As environmental concerns grow, engine technology evolves with advanced emission controls, lower carbon fuels, and innovative injection methods. The future of combustion engines blends tradition and innovation, with electrification and alternative fuels paving the way for greener transportation. From sputtering beginnings to high-tech marvels, combustion engines continue to power our world, one explosion at a time. For more fascinating insights into the inner workings of technology, subscribe to our channel now.